That's the trigger. It's not active right now, so don't worry.
Yeah. Just tell me when you're ready and I'll turn off the safety.
Alright, go ahead.
Yes!
We got mashed potato, right?
It's pretty awesome.
Oh my god!
Got some in there.
Awesome. That was the best.
Yow!
Who wants to eat
I top that!
we gotta get the other.
Alright, dick test number 1.
Adrian is ready?
You're my boy. Alright, Adrian, I'm ready.
Alright.
Good?
Yep.
Hold on.
Oh!
Yeah!
Force, Brendan, the force. The force.
Oh!
We trusted the force, I told you.
Oh,
You had your eyes closed, didn't you?
I didn't.
The force.
Nice.
What was that, Chisholm?
It's a good ending.
It is a good
You're
ending.
supposed to say yes so you look cooler.
Goodbye.
I was listening to Mike, actually. Oh yeah, we'll get a shot of the projectile. Still have it. Check it out.
Still have the cap on it?
No, the cap's gone. I don't know where it went. It's probably in the wreckage.
Get some mashed potato inside, yeah.
Don't zoom in because it fucks it up.